Think of young workers as canaries in the AI coal mine. A new Stanford study uses this exact metaphor. Just as canaries warned miners of poison gas, young professionals are now signaling the first real impact of AI on jobs. The research reveals a stark divide. In roles most exposed to AI, like software, customer support, and accounting, employment for workers aged 22-25 has fallen by 13%. Older, more experienced workers remain stable or have even grown. This isn't about wages falling yet, it's about the entry ticket disappearing. AI isn't a uniform wave. It's hitting standardized, repetitive tasks first, which are often the first rung on the career ladder. This is an entry crisis. Without these starter jobs, how does a generation gain experience? The risk is reduced social mobility and a skills gap. But the answer isn't to stop AI, it's to adapt. We need education that focuses on human skills, creativity, complex judgment. We need policies that support reskilling. And as individuals, we must shift from seeing AI as a replacement to treating it as a collaborator. The Canary signal is clear. AI's disruption is not a future prediction, it's happening now. The goal must be to transform this generation from the one most replaced by AI to the one that best collaborates with it. The future of work depends on this pivot.